that pole.
I won't let him hit the pole. Run fast.
Ready? Go. Woo! Good job, bud.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get Daddy.
Okay, let's go again. Uh-oh. Go get Mommy with that snowball. Throw it, Clark. Throw it. Good job, buddy.
I'm gonna get it. I gotta get on my business.
Do it again.
Okay, watch this.
Get him, Remy. You want to do it again?